Do you have any recommendations for WordPress plugins or themes suitable for creating a directory site, especially the DHA model? Yeah, again, we teach all this, Uzaifa, in the mastermind. We have full SOPs, even a pre-configured WordPress clone file with instructions and an SOP on how to install the clone file that's pre-configured. We use, just so you know, let's go in and grab the link. I use WP Geodirectory. And we have full training on that. However, right now, just so you know, I use WP Geodirectory because I am not going to take the time right now. This Geodirectory, the only thing that I use the directory for, guys, is specifically where there's the chat box. Did I not pop it out today? Apparently didn't. Stand by. This is the Geodirectory link that I put in chat. I learned how to use Geodirectory, I don't know, 4 years ago. And so I'm going to continue using that because it works for exactly what I need it to do, which is just for me to use the directory as a conversation starter. So I don't need to learn anything else. But the reason why I bring that up is because right now on AppSumo, Crack Sumo, that's what Michael Merlino called it, Crack Sumo.
Oh man, speaking of that, Black Friday deals on AppSumo have already started. That's a dangerous place to visit.
That's exactly why I brought it up, because I got the Black Friday email earlier today, and
I'm not gonna lie, I already grabbed something.
I saw Brilliant Directories was in there, and I've heard a
Nice.
lot of really good things about Brilliant Directories, and it's got lifetime deal right now. So I would encourage you to possibly check that out. Look, I don't care which directory service you got, site or platform you guys use. It makes no difference in my opinion. Okay. Find something that you like that's easy to use. The only reason why I encourage our program members to use the WordPress site is because that's what I'm familiar with. And I'm not going to learn any other directory platforms right now. The WordPress WP Geodirectory is working exactly as it should for what it is intended to do, which is a conversation starter in my industry. So I'm not going to learn any others. I've encouraged members of the group, though, look, if you find something else that you would rather use, by all means, use it. I'm just not going to support it. I can't be the one expected to provide the training and the SOPs for platforms that I don't use. I'm certainly not going to learn it just to provide training for, one or a couple of people. That's why I provide the SOPs and the pre-configured clone file and everything for WP Geodirectory so that you guys can get up and running quicker. That's the whole point. The whole point of the DHA coaching program is to keep people accountable and on a tight schedule so that they get off their asses and build everything properly and have a full working lead generation system for their agency at the end of 3 months. That's the goal, right? If you go down a path, if you veer off the path, deviate off the path to go down some other, to go try to set up some other directory platform and everything else where you're going to have to go through their training videos instead of a SOP and all that and learn how to use it, that's going to delay everything. That's fine if you're okay with that. So I'm not trying to discourage anybody from using other platforms. I'm just saying for speed to implementation, right? If you want to implement the whole system to start generating leads quicker, then build something that you already have a head start on, right? Which is all the training that I've got available. Again, I don't give a damn whether somebody uses WP Geodirectory or not. That's not the point. In fact, if I had more time, I would like to learn something like this that is apparently a lot easier to set up and manage. But I don't have the why. If it's not broke, don't fix it. WP Geodirectory is not broke, so there's no reason for me to go fix it. You know what I mean? So anyway, moving on. WP Geodirectory is what I would recommend for WordPress if you're going to use it. I don't like WordPress though. I'm only using it when I have to. Okay, which my directory site is still in WordPress.